Remove these kids.
Hey guys, here we're gonna show you two big differences when you're dealing with junctions and the road signs on junctions. Make sure you get them clear and you don't confuse them. So here we have our student. We told them to turn right. You can see them checking their mirrors and you can see a give way line, dotted white lines on the floor. The student decided not to wait. He was looking clearly and it was clear to go. Nothing wrong with that at all. You do not have to wait at give way lines if it's clear to go and you can see clearly. Now contrast this to this road marking and the layout of the road. In the exam, if there's arrows directing you to the direction that you can only go at, the examiner will not tell you where to go. So in this situation, you're going to notice you can only turn left, hence why the examiner here stayed quiet. So yes, the student did very well following the road direction, but where was the mistake? Did you guys notice it? Pause the video and comment below what was the mistake here.